Hello, let me first introduce myself. My name is Marcus Walker, Automation and Access Product Development Manager here at Optex. And today I'm going to take you through a few of the features and benefits of our OVS vehicle detection sensor. The OVS is a dual technology vehicle detection sensor designed to be used in conjunction with automatic gates, barriers and industrial doors. One of its benefits is it can be mounted above ground. It will detect vehicles arriving at speeds between 1 and 13 miles an hour. Vehicle detection is ensured by a combination of microwaves and ultrasonic technology. In many cases, it can replace a ground loop sensor which is already situated within the ground. The OVS vehicle sensor detects small and large vehicles within an area of 2 to 5.5 meters without using any in-ground device. There is no need for civil engineering works. This means the installation is non-disruptive and an ideal replacement for an induction loop in the areas difficult to dig. The calibration is done easily with a quick distance and sensitivity adjustment setting. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions regarding the OVS, please do not hesitate to contact me. Or if you have any sites you think may benefit from the OVS installation, reach out to me and I'm more than happy to attend site to carry out a site survey with you. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you soon.